Hello everyone, it's Lola here again, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a very fast, easy and delicious suya recipe. I call it the suya meatball kebabs. It's one of my favorite suya recipes, and since we're in the summer time, it's grilling time, I thought this is the best time to share this recipe with you guys. So let's get started. This recipe requires only 3 ingredients, which is your ground beef or the minced meat, some soya spice, and 1 medium-sized onion. The first thing I'm going to do is to grate my onion, and I'm using the fine size grater. And it's now time to add the soya spice. Today I used about 5 to 6 tablespoons. However, you may choose to add a little bit more or a little bit less depending on your personal preference. Now use your hands to massage this together until all the soya spice has been well incorporated into the meat. At the same time, make sure you don't overwork this, otherwise the meat is going to come out too strong and you don't want that. Once the meat is well combined, just take a little bit of oil, rub it on the palm of your hand, and this is going to prevent the meat from getting sticky or messy by the time you start rolling it. Now take a little bit of meat, roll it into a golf-sized ball, a little more or less depending on your personal preference. Once it's well rolled out, place it inside a lined baking pan. Here I have my baking pan lined already with a parchment paper, and this is going to prevent my meat from sticking into my pan when it's done. I'm going to be baking this for 25 to 30 minutes in a 350 degrees preheated oven. So halfway during the baking process, I'm going to pull it out and flip it to the other side so that the meatballs can be evenly cooked. I'm going to be putting this back in the oven so it can cook again for another 10 to 15 minutes. And that is it, the meatballs are done. I'll just open one of them so you can see how it looks on the inside. Can you see this is really well cooked and the taste is simply amazing. Of course, you shouldn't expect anything less from soya spice. And this is best enjoyed while it is still very hot. Okay, let me know what you think about this recipe, and if you have any rare thing you do with your soya spice, let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you all for spending your time with me. Until next time, I'll talk to you shortly. Enjoy.